I see piece of green, red roses too. I see the blue for me and you. As I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies so blue and clouds of white, the bright blue stain, the dark sacred night. As I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, but also on the faces of people going by. I see a friend shaking hands, saying how do you do. They're really saying I love you. I hear baby cry, I watch them grow. They'll learn much more that I'll never know. Yes, I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies are blue and clouds are white, the bright blue stain, the dark sacred night. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Yes, I think to myself, what a wonderful world. This morning I fell out of bed, tried to make it to the door. The wind was high, I didn't have much time, tried to find a better score. But then you gave up on the other side, running up my way, and you right away. But this could be my day. Someone like you make me change my way. Someone like you turns the night into day. There you were, standing on the crowded street. You look so good, though the span, walking through the floor. Someone like you could make me change my way. Someone like you hurts night into day. I wanna thank you now for getting me back my feet again. I wanna thank you now, getting me back my feet again. Someone like you make me change my way. Someone like you turns the night into day. Someone like you make me change my way. Someone